At AUC, there are plenty of food outlets on campus for students to choose from. But a question remains, which one of them will suit best your needs? To find out, we started our mission at Americana Food Court and we made an order at Smiley's Grill. The time of the order was about 12:30, which is just before the prime time of assembly hour. The court is not under pressure at the moment. After looking at the menu, we made an average order of the fans' favorite chicken sandwich with medium fries for about 85 Egyptian pounds. 12 minutes later, we received our order. Sandwich, fries, and that was our order. However, at assembly hour, things can get crowded at the court pretty quickly, and you will soon find yourself standing in a long line with an average waiting time of 15 plus minutes to receive your order. Let's move on to our second contender of the day. We're still in the prime time of assembly hour in the plaza, and our second contender, Tarwi'a, is at the center of all that. We took a look at the menu and we made the same average order just like the one we did at Smiley's for a premium of 75 pounds. And after 7 minutes, we received our order, fries, sandwich, and that's it. Finally, we reached Tabali, which is known for its Egyptian cuisine. We stood in line to make an order. It is mainly for breakfast items, but it wouldn't have been fair in competition to compare its prices with other vendors. So we made an order from the lunch menu, and it costed a mighty 100 pounds. After only 5 minutes, we had our order: bread, chicken shawarma, and fries. Even though delicious, it was the most expensive in the day. Okay, to wrap things up, let's show the results of our mission. Smiley's had the longest waiting time and costed around 85 pounds. Tabali, on the other hand, had the shortest waiting time of 5 minutes but was the most expensive in the day, while Tarwi'a was the best all-rounder. So, next time before finishing your order, think of what suits you best. Mounir, AUCTV, Cairo.